Hey, it's Alex. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn one long video into dozens of ready-to-post clips. No hours of chopping and sweating over timelines. No fancy editing degree required. Just upload, let the AI do its thing, and you get viral-ready clips scheduled across your socials. Sound good? Cool. Let me show you exactly what this tool can do. First, a few quick examples so you get the vibe. I fed the system a 20-minute talk about how a famous historical structure was built. Instead of manually skimming for highlights, the AI automatically found the moments that pop, like the parts about the initial kickoff, the years it took, the crazy engineering tricks they used, and turned them into 3 punchy 30 to 60-second clips. You know the kind. Quick backdrop, big stat, a visual cut that hooks people in the first 2 seconds. Then I tried something different, a hypothetical product pitch about a new flavor concept. I had a long product brainstorm video, and the AI pulled out the sweetest moments, the sensory lines, the best B-roll, and a short teaser that actually feels like a summer snack commercial. No manual cuts, no hunting for the B-roll frame where someone laughs perfectly on beat. Finally, I tested it on a cinematic story I recorded, a slow 2-minute monologue with ambient visuals. The AI found emotional beats and made short narrative cuts that would work as Instagram Reels or TikTok drops. It's wild how a tool can make all those micro moments feel cohesive without me doing the heavy lifting. So how do you get started? Super simple. Head to the site, create an account, and click on Create Clips or Upload Video. You'll see a place to drop your long-form video, podcast, live stream, lecture, vlog, whatever. The system then runs an intelligent scan. It detects high-energy moments, natural pauses, audience reactions, camera zooms, smiles, and even audio spikes. From there, it proposes a bunch of clips, each with suggested titles, captions, and thumbnail frames. What I love is the auto-edit step. You can choose the clip length you want, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Tell it the tone, and it spits out polished short-form edits. It auto-adds captions, trims to the right beats, and crops for different aspect ratios. Want square for Instagram, vertical for TikTok, and landscape for YouTube? The tool generates them all. And if the AI misses something, you can quickly tweak the cut or swap a thumbnail in the editor. No timeline expertise required. Now you might be thinking, don't other tools already do this? Yeah, there are a few. Some services like InVideo AI or other generative platforms try to create videos from scratch, using text prompts or synth footage. That's cool if you're starting from zero and want fully generated visuals, but it's a different use case. Those tools can be pricey, sometimes technically heavy, and they don't focus on repurposing long-form content efficiently. Sora promised similar magic a while back, but is still kind of locked up and not widely available. Runway and a few others are strong for creative generation and complex VFX, but they can feel overkill. Plus, they often lack a simple scheduling workflow. In short, some tools are amazing at creating new footage. This tool is amazing at transforming what you already have into social gold. One of the things that makes this platform stand out is auto-schedule. After the clips are generated, you can set a posting frequency, say 3 clips per week, and the system will automatically create a publishing queue and push them out based on your best times. No more dragging files into a scheduler every day. The AI spreads your content intelligently, so your channel looks active and consistent without you babysitting it. And then there's the content calendar. This is not just a calendar that shows when things go live, it's a control center. You can preview every clip, change captions, swap thumbnails, move posts around, or pause the queue if you want. It's the cleanest way I've seen to manage repurposed content across multiple platforms in one place. No tab sprawl, no copy-paste chaos. Let me walk you through a quick real-world flow so you can picture it. I uploaded a 45-minute podcast episode. The system scanned it and offered 24 suggested clips, ranging from micro quotes to longer explanations perfect for IGTV. I picked 10 favorites and used the tone toggle to make 2 of them more hype and 3 of them more educational. The tool automatically generated captions and suggested titles with emojis. Then I set auto-schedule to post 2 clips per week for the next 5 weeks. I walked away. 2 weeks later, my content account looked like I'd been grinding daily, but I actually spent maybe 20 minutes total curating and approving. A few editing tricks I use all the time. 1, use the highlight boost to force the AI to focus on a specific timestamp if there's a gem it missed. 2, edit captions inside the tool, especially for TikTok where short, punchy captions matter. 3, use the thumbnail frame picker to choose a face close-up for better CTR. Tiny changes here yield big differences in engagement. Let's talk about limitations honestly. This tool is made for creators with existing footage. If your primary goal is to generate fully synthetic scenes or you need advanced VFX, you'll probably pair this with a generative tool. Also, the AI isn't perfect. Sometimes it trims a clip a half-second too early or it misses context on a joke. That's why the quick manual tweak workflow is important. You rarely need to rebuild a clip from scratch, just nudge it. Compared to some competitors, generative platforms can make whole scenes from text, but cost more and often require more input to look polished. The advanced promise is exciting, but the lack of public access is a real blocker. The powerful VFX tools are strong for creative generation, but can feel overkill if your goal is pure repurposing and distribution. In short, This tool hits the sweet spot for creators who live in long form but need a steady diet of short form posts. Oh, and this platform supports multilingual subtitles and easy caption exports, so if you're scaling globally, you can add translated captions fast. It also integrates with publishing tools and social platforms, so you don't have to download and re-upload manually unless you want to. Pricing-wise, there's usually a free tier or trial so you can test the core features. Paid plans unlock bulk exports, higher limits, and advanced scheduling. If you do a lot of repurposing, it pays back in time saved. You'll be spending minutes on distribution work instead of hours. For creators, agencies, and small teams, that efficiency is the real ROI. So who should use this tool? Podcasters who want daily microclips. Educators who need to turn lectures into bite-sized lessons. Brands with long interviews that want consistent social content. Creators who stream or vlog and want automated highlight reels. If you already have a steady stream of long-form content and want to scale short-form posting without hiring an editor, this tool is built for you. Final thoughts. Repurposing is the low-hanging fruit for growth right now. People binge short-form content. You already have the material. Tools that create videos from scratch are amazing for certain use cases, but they don't replace the value in your existing episodes, talks, and interviews. This tool just makes the whole process fast, smart, and manageable. Then gives you the scheduling and calendar features so your channels actually stay alive. If you want to try it out, hit the link in the description or the one I pinned in the comments. Give it a test run with one long video. See how many clips it proposes, then set auto-schedule for a week and watch your feed come alive. Tell me in the comments what kind of content you'd repurpose. Podcasts, lectures, interviews, gameplay? I'm curious to see what you'll make. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.